Hello, my name is Jay, and in this video I want to show you how to create the supply and demand chart in Excel. So for this video I want to show you two different scenarios. So the first scenario is when you have the table layout is going to be horizontal, and meaning that your table is going to be from left to right, look like this. And for example number two, I want to show you when your table formatting is vertical, meaning that your rows from top to bottom, so look like this. And this is the chart that we'll be creating. So you have the demand curve and you also have the supply curve. And let's go ahead and create this simple supply demand chart. Okay, so I have a blank Excel workbook, and I have the exact same tables from the previous file. And the first table is I have the table layout as horizontal, and for example number two, I have the table layout as vertical. Okay, so to create the supply demand chart, and first thing is you want to highlight just the first two. Actually, instead of doing that, I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to create the chart from scratch. Yeah, insert, and under the chart section, you want to choose the scatter chart, and then you want to pick the scatter chart with straight lines, and pick that. And a blank Excel chart template will show up. Right now we don't have anything in the chart template. What you want to do is you want to right click and select data, and you want to add the legend entry, which is the data series. You want to click on add, and your series name going to be it's going to be the first one is being supply. So I'm going to pick the car dealer supply label, and your X value is always going to be your quantity. So the quantity from C3 to G3, and your Y value is going to be the price. So I'm going to highlight the price range and click on OK. And so that will basically create the supply curve in your chart. And to create the demand curve, basically you follow the same step. So we'll create a new data series, and your series name is going to be buyer demands for this time. And your X value is going to be quantities, so quantity sell range. Again, your Y value is always going to be price, so I'm going to highlight the price range and click on OK. And that's pretty much it. So very easy to create, and it took me less than 2 minutes to create this simple supply demand chart. And so once we're done, let me undo. And I mean, all we have left to do is just formatting the chart. So basically what I would do is I'll go to design. I'll pick a random chart style. So I usually use chart 8, but you can pick whichever you like the best. So I'm going to choose chart 8. And next I will select the chart and I'll add the axis label. So horizontal label first. So this one will be your quantity, and then want to add the price, so the vertical axis label, and we'll type price. And the last one missing is the chart title. So so we're going to insert a new chart title above the chart, and I'm just going to name these supply and demand charts, and that's it. So that's pretty easy, as you can see. And for example number 2, so basically the concept is the same. So in this time I'm going to do something differently. I'm going to highlight the these two columns together, and I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to insert new chart, so scatter charts with these straight lines. And so actually that didn't work very well. Okay, you know what, never mind. So I'm just going to create a brand new chart from scratch. and I'm going to select data and add new data series. So the first series name is going to be supply, and the y value, the x value is going to be quantity, and the y value is going to be price. And okay. And now we're going to add the curve for the demand. So the series name is going to be buyer demands, and the x value is going to be the quantity, and the y value is going to be price. And click on OK. So this time I'm just going to apply the style 8 to the chart. I'm not going to insert the axis label this time. And here's the supply demand charts based off the vertical table layout. So this is everything I want to cover in this video. If you found this video useful, please give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.